I used to hate walking. I did. I hated it. But then I got a boxer who had or has a lot of energy. And so I started walking him. I thought these walks were for him, but it turns out he was actually walking me toward my own healing. At first, it was just about burning his energy. But day after day, week after week, the walks became mine too. What started as obligation turned into something that I loved, and eventually something I couldn't go without. My dog didn't know it, but he was teaching me something powerful. Movement can calm your nervous system. The rhythm of walking, the fresh air, even noticing my body as I moved. It helped release tension that I didn't even realize I was carrying. If you feel stuck or triggered, try this. Take a walk. Sync your breath with your steps. Notice the tension in your shoulders, your chest, your jaw. Let your body lead the way instead of your mind forcing it, because small, simple movement can be a surprisingly powerful regulation tool. Sometimes the guidance we need doesn't come in big, obvious ways. Sometimes it's a wagging tail, a pair of paws, and the rhythm of our own footsteps. Pay attention. You might already be walking your healing without even knowing it.